So, a bit stringy, but this is a new action camera mount designed to go on the Stunt Kite, printed out of PETG. So, we'll have to see if that fits. Hi guys, we're looking at that Stunt Kite I picked up in a charity shop for £3. Had to do a little bit of work to it to get it working again. Had to repair some of the stitching that had come loose. 3D printed that little bit to go on the end there to stop the spar sliding out. Bit of repair work at the top end as well, a bit more stitching. Anyway, while I was doing all that, I was thinking I haven't done any kite photography for a long time. So I've designed myself a bracket to fit on the center section there. It will have rubber bands around it to hold it secure. I just thought I'd show you what I designed. Right, that bit comes with the kite. As you can see, it holds those spars in place. So I thought, how about if I design something that will go over that and hold a camera? As I say, the idea will be to wrap some rubber bands around there to actually stop it sliding around, and at the moment that just slides in place, so a rubber band around there will stop that sliding out. So I designed it so you slide it over that side and then back over there, and that's it. That's not going anywhere unless the filament breaks. This is printed from PETG, which is slightly better than PLA for this sort of application. PLA would definitely split along there virtually straight away. This will be a test to see how long the PETG lasts for. So a few rubber bands around there, and that should be fine. That little purple bit there, I started printing those a long time ago for the action cameras. Just reduces a bit of the glare from the sunlight coming in on either side. Obviously that'll just be pointing back towards me flying the kite. That should be okay. One way to find out, isn't there? We'll have to try it. Yeah, up on Durham Downs, I want to fly a kite. I don't think there's enough wind. Behind me, they're just setting up kites. So I might watch them for a few minutes, see if they get enough wind. And if they don't, I won't bother. Wishful thinking, I think, but we'll give it a go. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.